In this video, I'll be doing a 3 marks question from the CBSE sample paper 2025-26. Let's look at the question. 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times the age of the son. 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay, so let me assume that the father's present age, let father's present age be equal to x. And son's present age be equal to y. Now 5 years hence, they're talking about 5 years hence, that is after 5 years. Okay, so let me ask you something. If you are 15 years old now, after 5 years, what will be your age? Obviously, you'll be 15 plus 5, that is 20 years, right? The same way, 5 years hence, the father's age would be x plus 5 because he would be 5 years older now. Also, the son's age will be y plus 5 because the son will also be 5 years older. Now, they've said 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times the son's age. Father's age will be means equal to 3 times the son's age. Okay, so x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15. Or x minus 3y equal to 10. That's the first linear equation. Now, they're talking about 5 years ago, like before 5 years. Now, if you're 15 years now, 5 years ago, you would have been 10 years. How did we get that? We did 15 minus 5 and we got 10, right? So, the same way, 5 years ago, father's age would be x minus 5 because his present age is x. He would have been x minus 5 years old 5 years ago. Also, the son's age would also have been y minus 5. Now, what have they said about 5 years ago? They have said that the father was 7 times as old as his son. Father was, that is, father's age is equal to 7 times y minus 5. So, that is x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. Or x minus 7y equal to negative 30. So that's our second linear equation. Now we have to solve both of these equations either using elimination method or the substitution method. Okay, so let me use the elimination method here by subtracting the two equations. Let me find the value of y first. So x minus 7y equal to negative 30 and I'm subtracting both equations, so all signs would change and that would give me 4y as equal to 40, or the value of y is 40 divided by 4, or that's equal to 10 years. Now let me substitute this value in the first equation. First equation was x minus 3y equal to 10. In place of y, I am replacing with 10. So that is x minus 30 is equal to 10, or x now becomes 10 plus 30, which is 40 years. Okay, so father's present age is equal to 40 years and son's present age is equal to 10 years. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.